Hey guys, welcome back to the Bronze channel. This is Brittany, and for today's video I am going to do a quick 10-minute or less makeup tutorial. This is perfect for anyone who's always running late like I am, or just for going to work, or just any type of everyday look. So this should be very simple. Also, if you're someone who's not really that great at makeup, more like a beginner, or anything like that. So this is really great, and I hope you like it, so stay tuned. First, I'm going to start off with the VI Derm sunscreen. This is one of my favorite sunscreen. It does not leave like a very kind of, what do you call it, cast look on dark skin. The only problem I have with it is that if you do start sweating, it does then start to sweat, like a filmy kind of appearance comes on. So, but otherwise I love it, and I love the way it makes my skin feel, so that's that. Then I'm going to apply the Tammy Fender Spontaneous Recovery Cream. This is my first time using this, but it seems really great. I'm going to use the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Before I apply my foundation, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. The color I'm using is Translucent Medium Deep. I feel like by doing this, it also makes my makeup last longer and also gives me a longer matte look. Since we're doing a 10-minute everyday or lazy day or work or whatever, maybe you're running late, makeup routine, something quick, something fresh, something light, I'm going to use my favorite Bare Minerals Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. It's essentially kind of like a tinted moisturizer. It's my favorite. It gives you good coverage, but it's super light and it blends in very easily. And I'm just going to use it here with this Bare Minerals brush. Now I'm going to conceal with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Medium Dark 2.6 Walnut. And I'm just going to apply this concealer on my under eye. And then just here. Then I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it all in. Now I'm going to set the under eye with the Laura Mercier setting powder again. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. I need to get a new one, but I'm going to make do with what little I have left. So I'm going to start off with the highlight color here. And then just add a little highlight here. Here. And then now I'm going to contour. Add a little bit of bronzer. This is actually a custom palette that Priscilla and I got from visiting the Ofra Cosmetics factory, but I'm sure that they probably have this color in a singular available like individually on their website. I'm just gonna add. This is DiorBlush in Coral Cruise. Unfortunately, it's not available anymore, but it's just essentially a coral color. Then I'm going to take the highlighter, this gold highlighter here from the same custom palette. So this is the big kind of step that for me saves a lot of time, is when I essentially use the highlighter for my eyes and obviously to highlight everything else. So I just put my finger right here, and you can use any highlighter you want. I just use one use it to add like a little bit of color but more of the shimmer. And I use a gold one because that complements my skin tone well. And just take my finger and just swipe it on and blend it in until it's fairly sheer. Make sure to just add some to your inner corner to kind of wake your eyes up. And then I'm going to add to my nose. I'm taking this damp beauty blender and dipping it in the highlighter. I'm just going to add some over here. Just using the damp beauty blender, I feel it gives it more of like a skin finished look. Okay. Essentially. And then just blend it out if necessary. Just quickly going to touch up my eyebrows. I'm finishing up just adding mascara and obviously our lips. So for today I am going to I'm going to use what is this? I'm going to use this mascara from Yamba. Okay, and now I'm going to apply this Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip in Hype. And then on top of that, I'm just going to use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. And just to seal everything in, I'm going to spray with the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. And that's it. I hope this video is very easy for you. I feel like it's very beginner friendly. This is exactly what I do for most of the time for every day, maybe with a few modifications, but for the most part everything's all the same. It's really great if you're running late or if you are going to work or just really want a very pulled together but natural look. It can always be more useful for a night out, as just depending on, just a switch here and there, maybe a more coverage foundation, maybe lashes, but everything else is essentially a pretty pulled together look. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was easy, and let me know what you think.